Are you searching for the perfect guitar amp to elevate your sound in 2024? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of options, you're not alone. Many musicians struggle to find that ideal amp that balances power, clarity, and tone. In this video, we will help you cut through the noise and identify the 5 best guitar amps 2024 and their key features. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, stay tuned to discover the amps that could transform your music experience. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Be sure to check that the products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end. So now coming up with number 5, Boss Katana 100 MK2 is a 100-watt stage-ready combo amp with a custom 12-inch speaker that delivers impressive performance. It boasts 5 unique amp characters, each with newly voiced variations, catering to clean tones, crunchy rhythms, and searing leads. The 5 independent effects sections, booster, mod, FX, delay, and reverb. With 3 variations, each make it feel like you have a full pedal board. Built-in dedicated pedal FX offers intuitive foot-controlled wah and pedal bend, enhancing expressiveness. Updated Boss Tone Studio software provides over 60 effects, EQs, and adjustable routing for precise customization. The Power Amp. In-feature integrates seamlessly with preamps and modelers, while the stereo expand outlinks with a second Katana MK2 for a wider soundstage 8-tone setting. Memories simplify setup and ensure consistent sound power control. Lets you achieve cranked amp tones at low volumes, perfect for home practice cab resonance options, and mic'd cabinet emulation offer further customization. While the interface takes some time to master, the Katana 100 MK2 versatility, power, and depth make it an excellent choice for any guitarist, whether in the studio or on stage. Number 4. Orange Micro. Dark delivers a powerful performance you wouldn't believe. Combining valve and solid-state technology, its ECC83 12AX7 valve delivers a range of tones from warm cleans to crushing distortion, making it flexible for different setups. The shape control lets you adjust mid-range response while interacting with bass and treble, offering classic rock sounds or thrashy voicing with a simple turn. Its fully buffered effects loop handles. Extensive pedal boards without losing tone, maintaining transparency for all your effects. The CabSim headphone output is perfect for late-night practice, emulating the sound of a mic'd Orange 4x12-inch cabinet, and it's great for recording, providing consistent and reliable sound. Despite its single channel, which might feel limiting for those used to multi-channel amps, the Micro Dark's size and price make this a minor trade-off. The lack of a dedicated clean channel means more tweaking of gain and volume knobs, but the sound quality makes it worth the effort. This tiny terror is perfect for home practice, recording, and small gigs, delivering signature orange tones in a compact package. Number 3. Fender Mustang LT25 is a guitar amp that packs a punch. Designed for beginners but suitable for seasoned players, it delivers 25 watts of power, offering plenty of volume for home practice. The single 8-inch Fender Special Design guitar speaker produces a clear, balanced sound, bringing out nuances in every note, and wooden cabinet enhances sound quality, adding natural warmth. With its 1.8-inch color display, navigating settings is easy, making it perfect for beginners focused on playing. The stereo headphone output allows for silent practice, a feature you'll appreciate for late-night sessions, and its USB interface lets you record directly or update firmware, keeping the amp future-proof. The 30 presets cover various music genres, providing the greatest hits of electric guitar tones and eliminating the need for extra pedals. While advanced users might find the lack of deep editing options limiting, this simplicity ensures you focus on playing. The wooden cabinet makes it bulkier than some practice amps, but the sound quality trade-off is worth it. Overall, the Fender Mustang LT25 offers great sound, ease of use, and modern features, making it a must-check for those diving into electric guitar tones. Number 2. Positive Grid Spark is a 40-watt combo amp that delivers plenty of power. Its standout feature, Smart Jam, teaches your style and creates authentic bass and drum tracks, making practice sessions engaging and fun. With access to over 50,000 amp and FX presets on ToneCloud, powered by Positive Grid's bias technology, it offers a treasure trove of sounds for guitar, acoustic, or bass importing music from Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube, and having the app auto-display guitar chords in real time is a game changer for learning new songs. Additionally, the Spark doubles as a USB audio interface, seamlessly integrating with your favorite DAW or recording software, making it a versatile tool for home recording. While the onboard tone stack controls and effects are excellent, the menu system can feel a bit clunky at times, requiring more button presses than ideal. However, the built-in tuner is a small but incredibly useful feature, making tuning quick and hassle-free. The tap tempo feature allows for easy adjustment of effect tempos on the fly, ensuring your playing stays in sync. Overall, the Positive Grid Spark blends innovative technology with practical features, making it a stellar choice for serious musicians. Number 1. Fender 65. Deluxe Reverb is a 22-watt marvel designed for rock, country, and blues aficionados, delivering iconic tones heard on countless legendary recordings. Its clean sound is exceptional, maintaining clarity even at high volumes, essential for pristine chords and notes without unwanted distortion. Ideal for both gigs and studio sessions, its 22-watt output ensures versatility in various settings, providing ample power for medium-sized venues and reliability in recording environments. Featuring dual channels, a normal and vibrato channel controlled effortlessly via a 2-button foot switch, it offers flexibility to adapt your sound on the fly. The tube-driven reverb and vibrato add lush depth and vintage shimmer, enriching the playing experience with smooth, rich effects. Beyond its sonic prowess, the amp's classic design with black textured vinyl and silver grill cloth exudes timeless Fender aesthetics and robust build quality, ready for regular use. While slightly hefty at just under 42 pounds, its superior sound and durability make it a worthwhile investment for musicians seeking authentic Fender tone and reliable performance. That's wrapping our list of the 5 best guitar amps 2024. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of the best guitar amps for 2024. Each amp offers unique features tailored to different needs and styles. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, there's an amp on this list for you. If you found this guide helpful, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which guitar amp you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.